How to edit green screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to edit green screen in your Capcut. So to do this, open up your Capcut application and then log into your account. Next thing, what you want to do is go to the edit section and click on new project. Now you go ahead and select the photo or the image that you want to replace it as the background for a green screen. So let me go ahead and select one. You want to go ahead and click on overlay and click on add overlay. Now select the green screen video. This is the one.
This right here.
So click the add button. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Now you could go ahead and extend the background till the video is that you've already done this part. Next you need to do is you need to go to the green screen part and then select it. Now swipe towards your left hand side until you find the option as mask. So now at the bottom you can find out the chroma key. You just go ahead and press that out, and once you actually find it, so you need to go ahead and erase all this. So you could go to remove background and go to chroma key. Now select the part or the portion that you want to remove. So this is how you do it. Now you could find out that over here, if you go ahead and play the video, that you could find that you've successfully edited the green screen. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.